Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on moving contacts from your phone to your SIM on Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from your home screen to get to your Apps screen. Open the Contacts app. Tap the 3 horizontal lines button in the top left of Contacts. Select Manage Contacts from the menu that appears, then tap Move Contacts. In the From section, select Phone. Now you can tap to select contacts individually, or you can tap all in the top left corner. You can also tap a contact from the list or tap the minus to the right of a name at the top to deselect a contact. Tap Done when you are finished selecting. In the To section, tap the SIM card that you would like to move your contacts to. Tap OK on the pop-up. Scroll down and tap Move. Your contacts will then be moved. Tap OK. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.